single line. In other words, how do I start anywhere in this shape? Or is there somewhere I can start in this shape where I start drawing every line, draw the entire shape, and never actually repeat myself or have to draw over a line a second time? And to help me think about that, I often draw the dots in or the vertices. I draw on the points where lines intersect. Because at those points, I can think of those as islands. And my goal is to really walk across every edge or bridge, reach every island. Right? I can visit an island more than once. But how do I get to every island, cross every bridge, without having to ever repeat a bridge? How do I do that? How do I get around without walking across any bridge twice? And you might want to pause this and play with it, because these are the kind of problems that's really important to just almost meander. Imagine yourself having the luxury and time to walk around here. Maybe it's a nice day, you want to enjoy yourself, but where would you start? Where would you end? And what happens when you make a choice? Well, to help me with this problem, I write in the degree of each vertex, which is the number of bridges going to that island. And I look for any helpful hints or patterns in doing so. So I'm just writing these in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4 in the middle. These vertices each have 4. These also all have 4. And again, before you go on, try it yourself. Look for any patterns here. What I notice is that these two vertices are both odd. They have an odd degree. So that means, and I talk about this in depth in other videos and prove it, but here I'm just going to use it as a tool. This means that I'm going to leave and end at one of these islands. I can't start here or anywhere else. I have to start where it's an odd degree, where the vertex has an odd degree, and I have to end where a vertex has an odd degree. So I'm going to start in the bottom and work my way around, trying to avoid any trap, right? Avoid any situation where I end up at an island and I can't get off that island without crossing a bridge a second time. I don't want to find myself in that position. So come back to the original island, go to the last one, and then leave, and then work my way around. I'm going to kind of zigzag here, making sure I don't miss any bridge or island. You don't have to solve it this way. This is just my approach to it. I like to zig my way back and forth, getting to every island, crossing every bridge, and never running into a problem where I'm stuck on an island. Work my way up. And as you can see, I'm getting around, but I do have to end at the island with the odd degree or odd number of bridges. The simple way of saying it is that I had to first come to this island, leave it, do a whole network of stuff, and then eventually come back to it. And because there's 3 bridges, I come to it, leave it, and come back to it. I can't get off of it in the end. So that last move in the puzzle has to be me going to this island with only 3 bridges, and I know I have to finish there. And that's it. Alright, hope that helped.